Hello parents and my dear children. In this video, this is actually a series of videos which are going to help children read and decode words in text better. Okay, so this is a video about sight words. Now when I say sight words, you can as you can make out from the words, okay, sight words. These words are to be seen rather than to be memorized. First they need to be seen, then the patterns need to be observed, then only the final step is only learning the spellings. But if you follow the procedures well, if the procedures are taken care of, I guarantee your children don't even need to memorize it. It will be registered in their minds automatically. Okay, but you need to follow the guidelines. So like I told you, sight words are like the inevitable parts of the sentences. Okay, there can be so many words within a sentence that the children must be familiar with. Unless the children are familiar with these words, they won't have mastery over reading. So the first step, okay, the phonics is also very important, but before even they learn the phonics, they have to learn to sight read. So the procedure I'm going to tell you in detail. So this is one common video for all the classes, because sight words will be there. Actually sight word skills will be there for all classes, but the levels increase with each grade level. Okay, so what you need to do is, what the children need to do is identify patterns and structure of the word. Okay, how the word is formed, what are the letters that are involved. Then next there is grade wise word limit. Okay, I'm going to show you how many words. Then to be observed. Okay, the children are not rote learning, the children are not memorizing the words, rather you put it in a prominent place in there, either in the bedroom or in a room that they study, and every day you ensure that they look at those words. Okay, without memorizing, without rote learning the spelling, what they need to do is they just need to look at those words and then identify it. Okay, next step is after a week, okay, after a week's time you have assigned maybe 30 words for the week or 10 words for the week. Okay, after a week what you need to do is you need to take a test, like an assessment, a very simple assessment. What you could do is, don't ask the child to spell the word, rather identify all those words. Okay, so by the end of the week, if you see that the child is able to observe and read those words, that is important. Okay, it's not important that they learn the spellings, but they are able to look at the word pattern and then they are able to identify and read those words. Okay, and after reading you can ask them the spellings. After that also, if they are not able to learn the spellings, maybe you can help with the spellings. Okay, then after that what you do is you try to give them texts that have all those words, or every time you find your child reading something, just encourage or ask them to find all the sight words that they have learned for the week. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to share class wise or group wise sight word list to the students. Okay, then please follow this procedure after you receive the words. So this chart tells you how many words can you teach them in a week. It's not teaching, rather observing. Okay, so playgroup to nursery, 2 to 3 letters. Okay, I'm not saying words because they're not ready for words. They're just sight reading the letters. They can even sight read pictures related to the letters. That's all. Okay, they don't need words. So just introduce them to 2 to 3 letters in a week. Okay, next junior to senior KG, I'm going to share the list. Okay, so you can teach them 5 to 7 words depending. Okay, please don't try to force them too many words at the same time, because every child has different competencies. Okay, so if you see that your child is not able to learn even 5 words, that's okay. Okay, you can limit it to 3, but ensure that those 3 words your child is learning. Okay, so you don't have to force them all those 7 words. You can go a bit slow, step by step. Next, class 2 to 3, 10 to 20 words. Okay, here also I recommend the same, because every child does not have the same competency for words. So at least 10 words up to class 2 we expect them to learn per week. Okay, classes 3 to 5, 20 to 40 words. Okay, class 6 to 8, 40 to 70 words. 9 and 10 up to 150 words. Okay, they can learn. So now I'm going to show you the procedure, what the parents are requested or expected to do to help the children learn these words, these weekly words. Now this is what you're going to do. First, the class-wide word list will be updated in a school website. You need to check. Okay, and remember, all those words, okay, are there may be many words that are not meant for your kids. Select your kids class level carefully. Okay, you could either print, okay, if you have a printer, if you can print it, it'll be good, or you can save the words. Make sure that you don't lose them. Okay, so you need to save the words either in your mobile or in your laptop. Then select the words of the week for your child. So maybe class wise the words are there. Okay, not it's not for, I mean, you don't select all the words. Okay, you just select, like I've given, how many words you can choose for your child that week. And please don't go for difficult words. Okay, you can start from the simple ones, then you can advance towards the difficult ones. Okay, then the next step would be create a chart with prominent big letters. Okay, it is important that the letters are prominent and big. Okay, then you can place that chart somewhere where your child can see every day, identify those words. Okay, so the child is observing as well as identifying those words every day, and maybe they need your guidance also. Some of them they may be able to do it independently. Okay, and the final step is assessing at the end of the week. Okay, this is the step. Please download the words and save them. Thank you so much.